In this video, we are going to draw a goose dressed up to go to market on Sunday. And here are some tips for you to get the most out of this video. We will first draw the goose because it is in the foreground and also the most important object. So I'm going to start with the profile, draw the neck, the back, then the face, and then the front, and then the tail. Here is the wing. The head is a little bit too big, so I'm going to make it smaller and then add the eye and the beak. Now the goose is wearing a hat, so we're going to draw a hat. And then we're also going to give it a little bow around the neck. And then here are the feet. So all of this is being drawn very lightly because it will take some time to get the shapes right. Now I'm going to add some hills in the background to create the landscape. So very gentle curves, going up slowly and then coming down. This is the path that the goose is walking on. So a wavy, gentle slope going left to right. Here's a sign that tells people which way the market is, and it's a simple wood sign stuck into the ground. Now I'm going to add some groups of trees on top of the hills to add variety and to start creating depth. So these are very loose squiggles. And it's a bright sunny day with a few clouds, so I will draw those. And the clouds are basically semicircles or quarter circles or parts of circles overlapping each other and then connected on the bottom with a straight line. And you can add as many of these as you like, depending on how much space you have. I'm going to also add a group of flying birds, actually other geese, in a V formation. And then also some other geese who are walking to the market. It's a busy day today. Now, why these geese are not flying to the market, I don't know. Now for the inking. I'm going to start with things that are in front, work my way backwards. So first the flower, then the hat, and then the rest of the body. I'm going to leave a little gap where the bow is because that'll take a little time and I want to do that later. Ink over the sign. And also add a little thickness to it. If drawing the curves on the pathway is difficult in one stroke, then you can draw it as a series of shorter curves. Go over the trees and the clouds. And that's all for the line work. I've gone ahead and shaded the hills and the clouds to add some depth, and also added a few more details. I added some lines on the walkway to create an illusion of depth, and then also shown some trees on the hill in the center and added some lines that represent fields, and then finally shaded the whole thing with a pencil. I hope you enjoyed this video and will have fun sketching. As always, thanks for watching.